player interview.
Okay.
What's your stage name?
What's my stage name? TikTok.
And well, how long have you been playing professional kickball?
25 years.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.
You ready for a player interview?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm playing kickball.
What's your stage name?
My stage name? Latsignator.
Oh, what? Fleminators?
Latsignator.
And how many scores do you have?
Yeah, it's 3-0 right now. They didn't score with the bases loaded. It's pretty epic.
MVP?
MVP so far? I don't know. I haven't been here long enough.
Okay, and what's with the toy ball?
Toy ball? Well, we don't have a real one, so that'll have to do for now.
Okay, thank you. Hi, what's your stage name?
Hi, I'm...
You know, like a worldwide wrestling name.
Hi, I'm Tessa.
Hi, Tessa. I'm scared of this whole game.
I know.
Stay! Hold up. Nice hit, Zach.